Hi guys, and Ayatollah from Audio Direct, and we are in one of Crewe's finest. Of course, this is a drop-top Bentley GTC, and although it is a beautiful color combination, these Bentleys all seem to have a bit of a character about them, and this one's got the black and the light. It's like a peachy tan actually, and to be honest, it's in immaculate condition. The only thing that's really letting it down, of course, is the entertainment screen. Here you can see the Bentley infotainment entertainment screen, and it's fine, it all works, but the thing is, it just doesn't give you any infotainment, any connectivity. So what we're going to be doing is removing this complete console and putting in our Tesla, which is made specifically for the vehicle, and we're also going to be adding a HD front and a HD rear camera as well to just protect this beast. Well, there you have it, ladies and gents. The Audio Direct transformation is complete, and as you can see, beautiful fitting, perfect color match. This is of course the Bentley Tesla that's now been installed. Super smooth. You can see, you know, we don't mess around with this sort of stuff. This is a very high-end system. You got so many options in here, it's virtually impossible to go through all of them. A couple of key things to mention: we've got a front camera that is now in situ. As well as that, of course, when you engage reverse, we've also put the equivalent HD wide angle lens there as well, so makes for much safer driving in this beautiful Bentley. And all of your car's original settings are all present as well in the air suspension, so on and so forth, Google Maps, built-in navigation, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a host of other toys. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Audio Direct.